So welcome to the channel Biba Boy. Another day, another vlog. Nice weather. And my scooter. And this is me, Harry again. Today is my day off and right now I'm going to the gym. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. And after the gym probably I have to go get some groceries and then I'll go outside, maybe meet a friend or something. So I don't know, it's not concrete information right now, so we're gonna see how the day goes. Let's see. So I just came outside my street and in this new house there is this pizzeria, Gatto Pardo. It's over here. My house is over there. It's just outside my house, so probably we're gonna go to this pizzeria one day and see how it is. There are so many things to try, to explore in Lagos. So in the next vlogs you're gonna see them. I will try to explore new things for me and for the vlog as well. And there is this gastro bar also, which we have to try one day. Repollo. My gym is just like a walking distance from here. I go left and maybe in 2 minutes I'll be there. That's why I'm just going walking, and that's it. People are going to the beach. There is Praia Dona Ana this way, so I think these guys are going to the beach. And there is this old building. I don't know, I think it was a hotel before. You can see now it's all just a mess. So this is my gym, Lift Fitness. You might have seen this in the previous videos as well, if you have been watching my old videos. So that's it for now, and once I finish the workout I'll catch you back. See you guys later. Cheers. So I'm done with the workout. Today was back and biceps, and now I'm going back home. I'm gonna take a shower, eat some food, and then I'm gonna go buy some groceries, and after that I don't know, we're gonna see. For past not yesterday but the 2 days before, I think like last 3 days it was raining, but I'm very happy that today the weather is good and it's sunny. When I was coming to the gym I was wearing the jacket, the hoodie, and I was feeling very hot. So now it's okay. These are the local buses here, like we have in Delhi. We have PTC here. They have this one, and they have another company. I forgot the name. So let's get home. So the time is 6:27. I am ready and going outside now to buy some groceries. And I also got my helmet here, and I'm gonna set up the camera on the inside the helmet. Let's see how we do it. Let me put this here first. I'm gonna use the cap like this. So it's upside down. Let me change. So now you can see it's like this. And then yeah, it's good. So I'm leaving now. Something I wanted to show you. So right now I think you can see it's 375. I don't use it that much. Last time I got the tank filled, which cost me around 7 or 8 euros. 8 euros I think, 8 euros and something. And I filled the tank when it was 261. So I've only done like 100 kilometers till now. And now I'm going to the Pingo Do's and I'm gonna show you the way to my work, the marina. Oh, the way to my work, where I ride from every day. It's so beautiful, guys. You're gonna enjoy it. Look, it's a marina, and then on the right side we have the sea. On the left is the town, old town. So let's go. I don't shoot the videos in the house anymore because when I moved here I was the first one, and now there are more people, like a couple of more guys, so everybody have their privacy. I don't want to disturb anyone. So here we go. Let's take a look. And I'm recording this video in 4K so you get a better view. Look, palm trees. I just remember the song from Diljit. Palm trees, very good teeth. Look at this beauty. Look at the sea. Look at the clouds. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at that. This here is the town. So it's not like India, you can overtake wherever you want. You have to wait. So once again, this is the local bus here in Lagos, Honda. There is another, yeah, I just remember the name now. It's Vamos. Vamos in Portuguese is, in English, it's let's go. So in Portuguese, you say Vamos or Vamos lá. And this scooter has a feature, this one automatic, which is on right now. So if I turn this on and I stop the scooter, it will turn off automatically and it will start off without doing anything. I just give a little bit race and it starts off. I will show you in a minute. Look, now I'm gonna stop at the red light and it will turn off. There we go, it's turned off. And turned on. So here we are at the Pingodos. You can see the board, and I'm going inside now. Have a coffee maybe, and then I also have to edit the video. So let's go inside. And while I was riding the moto, the memory of the camera storage was full and the video disconnected in between. Maybe let's see if we can sit outside and if they have the charging points here. Yeah, they have. I wanna sit in the sun. So like over here, and then also but I know it's gonna be cold very soon outside, so it's better we sit inside.
Meio a seguir, faz favor. Já está tudo aqui. Obrigada. Agora é uma meia de leite. E para este senhor.
Mais quente, se faz favor.
Quentinha, bem quente.
Obrigado. So this is my coffee. This is gonna sit. I had brought my laptop with me because I still have to edit the video from last week, the one where I changed the house. I hope you like the video. So let's get to it. No sugar for me, please. Thank you. So the time right now is 8:30 and I'm still editing the video. The last video where I changed the house, and it's already been more than an hour I've been editing the video. It takes a lot of time, and so that's what it is. And I'm sitting in the cafe. In the back there is the Pingodos. I came here because, as I said, I have to buy some groceries, so it will be easier for me. I don't have to move around. I will finish the video and buy the groceries from here, and then go back home, cook some dinner, have a nice dinner, and maybe, I don't know, I'm thinking to watch a movie today. There is a show at 9:30. But Pingodos here closes at 9:30 also, and I'm thinking if I stop at 9 and take maybe 20 minutes for the shopping, then go home. But then by that time the movie will start because they start at 9:30. So I don't know. I saw there are two movies. One is Michael. I don't know. I have not seen the trailer or anything. But the other one is Mortal Kombat 2. So which is something I can watch. I like. So let's see. I don't know. and then if I go to watch the movie, I will not be able to cook the dinner. I need time to cook the dinner because the movie is about 2 hours. So 11:30 it will finish, and then I'll get home like 11:40, 11:45. So I don't know. Let's see what goes on. So the time is 9 already. I left the cafe. They have a cafe here. They also have like lunch and dinner break, like pasta and everything. Now I'm going inside to get some groceries. I need a bucket. Let me get some bucket. So we go the old school way. I already have the list here, what I have to buy in my phone. So you can take a bag, you can take the whatever you want, and then you come here. You have this machine. Then you also have the codes here, 513 for the tomatoes. You put your things here, then you 513. 513. You can type it or you can just choose it. This one. And this little ticket comes out with the price and the weight and everything. You can just stick it here. So the time is 9:40. I left at 9 to get the groceries, and it took me half an hour to collect all the groceries. And now you can see it's the Pingados is already closed. There is nobody here. Everybody's gone, and I'm also going home for now. And then we're gonna see. Most probably this will be the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. See you later. Ciao. I'm still thinking what I'm gonna do after I get home. All I have to do is make the dinner, and I'm only thinking that if I should go to the downtown, if I should go out to downtown to some club or something, but I don't know for now. We will see. And I just found out, I was trying to find out if I have to get the service done for my scooter, for my moto. So today I found out, because it's almost 1 month. I purchased it on 15th of April, and today is 13th of May. So what I found out is that the first service I have to do at 1000 kilometers. Like in India, the first service usually you have to do at 1000 kilometers or 1 month, whichever is earlier. But here it's only about the kilometers, because if you're not using the vehicle, it doesn't make sense to get the service done earlier. So that's a good thing. So right now I'm only at 380 kilometers. So once I reach near to 1000, I will give them a call. Most probably I have to take an appointment or something, but we'll see about that. We still have a lots of time. This is the Bombeiros, the fire brigade of Lagos.